Guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Tuesday and it's a rainy day. Guys, it has been raining since 5 a.m. We're in the month of August, and during this month the rains is just like on a regular, like it rains every day. I mean, this rainy season in the month of June is different, the month of July is different, August rain is another level. Guys, if you have never heard this in Cameroon, hear this now. We used to have like 7 days non-stop rain here in Cameroon, and this is usually in the month of August, and during which, when it rains like that, we hear floods in Limbe, in Douala. But this particular regions, this Limbe and Douala is always like, it's always making news. Anyway guys, I am at work now. I just did my makeup, just powder and my lip gloss. As you guys can see, I'm rocking my bun I did. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this bun, please do check out my video. Just go to my playlist, you will find it there. Okay, it's very easy, very affordable. It costs you nothing. All right, so yeah, I have a meeting with my boss, in fact the director himself, so I need to prepare my report and present to him today. Well, that's what I'm going to be doing now. My battery is running dead. I don't know, I forgot my charger. I don't know how I'm going to do it because I have to transfer some files from my camera to my phone. Okay, because I edit with my phone. I don't know, I forgot my camera charger. I'll try and see if I can use my Samsung charger to charge this. This is a Sony ZV-1F camera, by the way. Guys, it's actually charging. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is my Samsung charger, and as you guys can see, when it's yellow, it means it's charging. Thank god. Oh my god, I'm so happy about it.
Whatever. Well, basically that's what happens sometimes to this place. Anyways, I'm ready now. I'm plugging in, and yeah, I'm not touching my makeup. I just let my hair down. I don't know how to curl this hair right now. I feel so tired. But I think for this one, I might actually do the light thing. I'm going to do this right now. Because yeah, to be sitting off. That's okay. I don't know if you're ready. Sorry. I'm just going to use it like that. Right now, and I'm doing all of this videos today because next week is solely for my dissertation. I have
okay, no.
Supervisor on how we're going to.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are well. So today is Saturday, and I want to treat my hair. Since I relaxed my hair, I have not treated my hair, like done a deep treatment, right? So I went on YouTube, and as usual I found something that I have in my home that I can use to treat my hair, and I went to Daily Bear's channel. I remember 2 years ago when she posted that video on her channel, and I think I commented that I will not be able to do that particular one just because I didn't have just because I didn't have moringa powder. Okay, and I mean, there are so many tutorials. Okay, at the time I had just fenugreek seeds. These are my fenugreek seeds. This seed has been over, I don't know, 3 to 5 years since I have it, and the color has literally changed. I don't know if you guys can see. It looks like it's going to, like it's mold, like it's mold already, but something tells me I can still use it. Okay, if I have to continue doing, you know, hair tutorials like DIYs, of course I have to style my hair, and from time to time I'm going to be using gels, okay, and you know, sprays and all that, and that's going to kind of destroy destroy my hair. That way I have to always keep my hair moisturized and deep conditioned. In fact, my hair should be in good health. After which, I'm going to kind of do like a haul to show you guys what I've been buying lately in order to, you know, meet up with my new content here on YouTube. If you are stopping by for the very first time, I have decided, in fact, I posted my first video on hair tutorials like DIYs, how you can use the minimum amount of hair you have at home to create your own wig, to create your own hairstyle without going to the salon. I mean, I'm not preventing people from going to the salon, okay, but times are hard right now. Like, things are so expensive, and as a woman you need to look good. Your hair is like, in fact, people say the beauty of a woman lies on her hair, and I totally agree on that. If you disagree, please let me know in the comment section. But for now, let's get into the treatment of today. I wanted to do like a separate video, but I'm like, let me just put it here because I don't want to confuse my content. So this is what I want to do here. So the mistake I did was that since my fenugreek seed is pretty dry, I had to soak it. Okay, that way when blending it's going to blend properly and smoothly. So while that is soaked, I want to see if I can just like do my moringa oil. So I'm going to be using moringa powder and a bit of this. I can just apply it from time to time on my hair, you know, when my hair is on protective style, or you know, just to keep my hair moisturized. The moringa from the moringa powder, I'm going to use a stocking cap. Extracting the oil from the moringa powder, it looks like this and it's so smooth. So this is going to be my moringa oil. So for my applicator bottle, I have this my old vitamin C serum bottle. Okay, you see why you shouldn't throw out like bottles like this, because they will come in handy where you need them. So this is what I'm going to transfer my oil into this bottle, and of course this is going to act like my applicator. Our mixture is ready and I'm about to start applying it on my hair. I went ahead and changed to this t-shirt because it can really get messy. This is a t-shirt, let me not say it's dirty, but it's not something I want to wear and leave the house, okay? So this is what the mixture looks like. All right, and it's kind of slimy just because I use fenugreek seed. You know, if you have ever used fenugreek seed before, you will know that it's kind of slimy. So I'm going to divide my hair into sections. I don't know if I should go for 4 sections or just 2 sections. Guys, I suck when it comes to parting my hair. Like, I really suck at that. That is why for the most part when I do tutorials, and if he comes to the point where I'll have to show you guys how I install it on my hair, like actually doing braids, you know, for the installment, I'd rather just go to a salon, because like I mentioned, I suck when it comes to parting my hair. I don't know how to part my hair in a professional level, you get. So this is the first 2 sections, and I'm going to do the same. Ooh. Guys, here we are. This is what my hair is looking like right now. I think my neighbor is trying to install an AC because I've been working on it since morning. Each time the guy tries to use the machine, I will just turn off my camera just so I don't get the noise while I'm talking. It's so annoying. My hair. This is how much is left. I'm going to keep this, okay, because you guys, the process of making this treatment is a lot. Honestly, it's so messy. Let me just give you guys like a haul on a couple of things I bought recently for my hair tutorial videos here on YouTube. So the first thing I bought is this LED high power lamp. Alright, and it looks like this. So basically what it does is that when you, let me just unbox it for you guys. When you plug it, it gives you like different colors in your background. Now the intention about this purchase is to give you guys like different colors, like different background colors when I'm filming, right? So it looks like this. It's very small but very, very effective. So this is what it looks like. I got it for 5,000 francs at Mbopi Market, and I had the guy work it out for me. Okay, why is this in disturbing us? He had to attach this extension, that way I don't have to bother myself, because I am not an electrician like that. And it comes with a remote control. So this is the power button. Alright, the green is on and the red means off. I'm going to turn it on. Wow, you guys. Blue, green, orange, blue. That is like sky blue. It has about two shades of purple. Okay, I has about 3 shades of blue. Wow. So my intention is to put it like the background for you guys. Yeah, so that when I'm filming my YouTube videos, my background should look like this. All right, can you guys see that? Yeah. So the next thing I have is this jump rope. Okay, I haven't worked out in a long time, like over a year, and I just feel like it's time for me to, because I've gained a lot of weight. I mean, even when I climb the staircase, I feel so much pains on my knee. So I decided to pick up this jump rope, and it also has the counter stuff here where it will tell you the number of steps or the number of jumps you have jumped. And I also got this, I don't know what it's called, this plastic thing. It's a workout stuff. Okay, and I'm going to put a picture on the screen for you guys to have an idea what is meant for. Next things I picked up is my hairspray, and it's from Olive. I love to, you know, just nourish with some sheen spray on my wigs. And I also picked up this eco styling gel as well. So next things I picked up are these wig caps. Okay, and the next thing I picked up are these, what is it called now, something rods. I'm going to put it on the screen, guys. I can't remember the name, so I got 2 packs of them. Next thing I picked up are these hair extensions from a brand called Superstar. So I got color 1 and what was the color now? This is color 27. Next are these bobby pins, pair of earrings for styling. Bought a new mannequin head because the one I have is not looking presentable. So you guys have already seen this mannequin head in my first hair tutorial, and this is what she looks like. She's so pretty, right?
Later that day.
So I'm about to make lunch, and for today's recipe or for today's menu, I want to make like crayfish rice with palm oil. Okay, so yeah, I have my rice. It's 1.5 cups. And over here I have this poirot. I don't know how it's called in English, but in French it's called poirot. I have 2 tomatoes here. They are still frozen. So I have 1 pepper there. I'm going to add dry pepper to it. And this is bunga. Okay, this is bunga fish. It is dried already. And here I have crayfish. I have onions here, and I have garlic. And most importantly, this is our palm oil. Okay.
Drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling, none of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you?
You guys, I am done cooking, and I think it's time for me to take this off. So I don't know how long this has been sitting, but I think it's long enough. It's been more than 2 hours. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. Ooh. Oh my god, at least are dry. Let's do this. Ooh. This is my moringa oil I made earlier. Once my hair is a little bit dry, I'll go ahead and apply this oil. But for now, you guys, I'm so hungry. It's almost, what's the time now? It's already 12:30 a.m. and this is the first food I'm having, and it tastes so good. Stepping out. It is almost 6:30 and I'm going to Kenna's place to go watch Big Brother. So the issue is that my cable line expired and I tried to renew it, but my cable provider is out of town, so you only get to renew my contract when he comes back, or renew for the month, right? So I just had to leave because I cannot miss eviction Sunday for any reason. So this is what I am putting on. Okay, this leggings, pair of t-shirt, and my jacket. Is kind of rainy right now, but see, I have to leave this house because I cannot miss eviction for any reason. Anyway guys, we'll talk later when I get to Kenna's, and see ya. In fact, I'm not watching Big Brother again. Oh, I'm not watching Big Brother. Are you kidding me? Hey!